In a forgotten realm where myths merge seamlessly with reality, the legendary Basililith roams as an apex chaos bringer. A terrifying fusion of a basilisk and a Goliath spider, the Basililith strikes fear into the hearts of all. Covered in glistening black scales, its serpentine body moves gracefully through the thickest undergrowth like a living shadow. Atop its elongated spine, deadly arachnid legs extend, puncturing the ground with every calculated step. Its eyes burn with an unnatural glow, capable of petrifying those who dare to meet its gaze directly. Venomous fangs protrude from its mouth, delivering a paralyzing toxin with a single bite, ensuring its prey cannot escape. Legends speak of its roar echoing through the mountains, a sound that promises nature's wrath and ultimate destruction. The Basililith rules the wilds as both monster and myth, an unstoppable force of terror that thrives in the shadows.